Hey foodies, how are we doing today? Guess what? I'm making chicken stroganoff. Stroganoff, you say? With chicken? You got it. But first, I want to remind everybody, you know what? We just hit 450 subscribers today. I need some more people to join our mission to cook, eat, and enjoy. Take a look at this chicken and it's browning over here. I have one side browning. I'm going to turn it over. And then we are going to make chicken stroganoff. And chicken stroganoff is just a riff on the original Russian stroganoff, okay? Beef stroganoff. But we're going to use chicken. You can use, I'm using a cut-up chicken here. Anthony will show you. You could use chicken breasts only, chicken leg, whatever you like. Just be sure to brown it and use the, as we learned in cooking school, the Maillard reaction. This gets a good crust and into our drippings in the pan that we work on, because I'm going to put some white wine in here. I'm going to put some broth in here. I'm also going to put some sour cream, or you could use Greek yogurt, either one. And that will make our stroganoff. So there we have it. We want to thank you all. We will continue on to cook our meal today of chicken stroganoff, and hit, smash, share for us, for yourselves. You're all learning, and I thank you all. Pete at Carpizzo's telling you to cook, eat, and enjoy. We love you all. Thank you. Pete out.